Hey guys, Jackson here today, and today I will be reviewing why you should not cry when you get scammed in Animal Jam or hacked. And my voice is a little hoarse right now. I'm kind of sick, so just so you know. Anyway, so I will be reviewing this. So the reason why you should not cry in Animal Jam is because this game doesn't even do anything for you in real life. You should not cry about a pixel item. That's why I'm not too attached to this game. But I do like this game though, but I'm not too attached to it. Also, yeah, so just keep that in mind. And try to avoid scammers though. I mean, I avoid scammers. I'm not trying to get scammed. I'm just saying I avoid scammers. But I'm not gonna cry either when I get scammed. Like, say if I got this scanned, I would not cry because it's a pixel item worth nothing when it's rare in this game. It's just a game. It's not real. This is my point here. Whenever people cry when they get their items scanned, seriously, no need for that. You have real stuff, like your brother, your sister, your parents, and you're crying about a dumb pixel item that doesn't even support anything in real life. This is what I don't get. So guys, I just really hope you keep that in mind because I would not be upset if that actually happened. So yeah. Oh, this is pretty cool too. Upside down thing. Some So yeah. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, guys, today I asked for a giveaway. I was doing a little fake giveaway by saying, "Give away my den, I'm giving away my whole entire list." As you guys saw my list, it had cool stuff on it, and it had Spike on it, so everybody was assuming I was giving away my list. Probably thought it was a scam. I'm kind of used to that because everybody wants to scam these days. But I just told them it was an April Fool's joke. So yeah, you can do that for April Fools too. It's weird. But what else should I do? I'll buy this. Okay, well, let me. Oh yeah. Yeah. And yeah, so you guys know the company's party. And yeah. What else should I review? Well guys, I also have to review that a year ago I got scammed in AJ Play Wild, and that's because I accidentally traded my crystal hook, my firefly, and something else for sled slippers. I know, right? Sled slippers. My eyes were failing me. I was so disappointed. Really, seriously. So I was really upset. I wasn't crying, but I was just really shocked. But you guys shouldn't be shocked because these are game items. These are game items. These cannot hurt you in any way because in real life you're not really getting scammed. You're just getting scammed in a dumb game that's worth nothing. So guys, I just wanted to point out that review. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels. And I might do a giveaway with the shark hat that I just bought. Don't really need it. And my Meg Angry Wings, and let's see, my rare life armor. So stay tuned for that, and I hope I see you guys later. Goodbye!